What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. My name is Nick, and today we're going to talk about the top free resources to fix your credit. So let's get right into it. Go ahead and make myself smaller over here, and boom. So resource number one is the Attorney General. Guys, don't be scared. Attorney General of your state. So you can use the AG of your state to file a complaint against the company you believe is violating your rights. So you can either mail them, you can do it online, or you can call. It all depends on your state. So just Google, Florida Attorney General, Arkansas Attorney General, and see their process. They are there to protect the consumer. And if you watch any of my other videos, you can see that we talk a lot about the FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, and the laws in there that most of the credit bureaus are violating. So you'll want to, take information from there, take information from here, put it together, boom, and send it off to the Attorney General, and they will take care of it for you guys. So they respond typically within 30 days. Very important resource. The next resource is the CFPB. CFPB is short for the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Very, very, very beneficial entity. They are an actual government entity. So the government actually created them. So it's a pretty good company. They have an easy online dispute process, and I'll make a video in the future going in depth about the actual, how to file your CFPB complaint. It's very easy. 1, 2, 3. You guys can try it on your own. Trial and error. Nothing happens. It's completely free, so nothing happens if you do it wrong. So go ahead and check that out. CFPB. You can do unlimited disputes against any company, and they basically act as a middleman between you and the company. So if the credit bureaus, for example, they're ignoring your disputes and acting like they haven't gotten them and things like that, you bring the CFPB into it, and the CFPB will ensure that they get your dispute, and there's no excuse in the middle, so they can't use that excuse anymore. And they also have an online portal where you can check all of your disputes. Let's go on to the next. So the next resource would be directly disputing with the credit reporting agencies. So normally I wouldn't recommend this, but as of late it has been working pretty well for Experian. Specifically, TransUnion is also coming along as well. But in order for this to work, you need sufficient evidence. So what do I mean by evidence? You would want to have already disputed with them, right? You would want to already have evidence of you disputing with them and, them violating you, them not responding in time, etc. You want to have that certified return slip, the green return slip or the green certified mail receipt. If you went the FTC route, use that, upload that. If you have a handwritten letter, you can use that as evidence, certified mail slips. And like I said, Experian works the best. So, directly in their back end of the credit reporting agencies, you can go ahead and dispute with them and, see if you get results. All this stuff is free, man. So I encourage everybody to try it. At least try it. You know what I'm saying? It's free. Free stuff is usually the best stuff, We just take it for granted. So go ahead and try that. And then the process that I would recommend, so my process recommendation, step 1, do a normal dispute to the credit reporting agencies and make copies of each dispute, each letter, and the certified mail slip. Make copies of everything. You always want to keep copies, hard copies, so you can have that evidence for the future. Wait 3 days, then begin disputing with the Attorney General, CFPB, and the online portal. Be sure to attach all the copies you made and the certified mail slip as evidence. Make sure you keep that evidence. Make sure you upload that evidence. That would absolutely help your case, 1000%. And then step 3 is wait for the results and repeat the process depending on the outcome, guys. So this is just extra firepower on top of your already war chest of disputes that you have going out. So this is just helping everything. You just want to, you want to throw everything at them, or throw one thing at a time. It just depends on you and your style. And that's the end of the video, guys, man. Quick and easy, the top 3 free, easy resources that you can use today to dispute with the credit reporting agencies. I want to thank you guys for watching. And if you like that, please tap the like button and help this video get out to more people. Tap the subscribe button, help us with our current goal of 1,000 subscribers. more than likely we're probably already over 1,000 subscribers right now, so you know, fingers crossed on that one. And if you have any questions, you can always email me directly, info@tycoontalk.xyz, and you can leave a comment below as well. I make sure to read all the comments and all my emails and respond in a timely manner for you guys to help you out. And let me know any topics you want me to cover or go more in depth about in the comment section below. And you can also check the link in the description to purchase any credit repair products that you might want. We'll go over here and take a look at it right now. So we got the FCRA cheat sheet, we got some consciousness worksheet, charge-off templates, we got crypto products, we got more inquiry removal, we got the business checklist, man, we got a bundle, we got the ebook, we got everything over here, man. So go ahead and check that out. That's going to be in the description box below. And if you like this video, check out the other videos on my channel where I talk about making money with cryptocurrency, I talk about consciousness, and much, much more. And may infinite abundance flow to you guys now and forever. Thank you guys again. I'll see you again tomorrow. Peace.